We are going to the Citadel, which is the oldest building in Hawler or Erbil. It's the castle. So beautiful, guys. You have no idea. Feeling that I'm going back 4,000 years. Seriously, so beautiful, guys. You have no idea. This feels like I touched something 4,000 years. روزي كي خوش هاي رقيب هر My forefathers used to live here. Okay.
Öptükün ele jivci de perçeki dikire, mikroskop edinir. Boya diktirsen.
Lithium, aluminium. Paano ba magkasalahan? Taste this one. This is with sumac. I died tasting it. I'm going. Because one is good for asthma. Is it bronchodilation? Yeah, guys. Look.
Böyle sezden. Öyle karamış. Erer, böyle sezden.
Zaraz paschala. Tamam.
Tamam. Hadi bebe. Alo. Şimdi her deri erzan buyacağım ve şimdi hem sadı bilsin.
Thanks you everybody for being on this trip. This is Kemsa Bashur trip 2016 and we are ending it now.